Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. But before I start my topic, let's introduction first.
Here are number names as well as digits written on the screen. We will arrange the number names in the blocks of digits. First, ONE1 goes to a block of 1 digit. TW2 goes to the block of 2 digit. THREE3 goes to the block of 3 digit. SIX6 goes to the block of 6 digit. EIGHT8 goes to the block of 8 digit. NINE9 goes to the block of 9 digit. Here are blocks of picture with number. We will arrange this picture in proper sequence. Now find the proper numbers in order. Find the number 1. Yes. And place them first. After 1, which number come 2? And after 2, which number come 3? After 3, which number come 4? And last which number come 5? So children, here the ready fireman.
One sum of subtracting. 5 with 2, answer is 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now we will do something interesting. As you can see all blocks of puzzles. You can see my right side? Yes. What we will be doing as arrange these blocks to get a perfect picture. Let's start. So, here we got puzzle done and the result is picture of dog. So, as you saw before, puzzle and sum of subtraction related to this only. We are going to learn a new topic, subtraction puzzles.
First question, 8 minus smiley face is equal to 5. That means what we should minus from 8 to get 5. So that means smiley face. Then we subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now next, 10 minus sad face is equal to 4. So first, sad face, we should subtract 4 from 10. So we get the answer 6.
Subtraction riddle. Subtract and use the letters to decode the riddle. Now here all of you see some sums are given and here some letters. Let's start solving the sum. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 14 minus 1 is equal to 30. So now question. What did the beach say when the high tide come in? Let's see. Here some numbers are given in downside. So let's start. 9 number. Where is 9 number? Here. So which letter? L. So we can put here L. Now 5. 5 here. So which letter here? O. Next 7. 7 here. Which letter? N. 12 here. Which letter? G. So here which word it comes? L-O-N-G. Long. Now next. 14 number is given below and upside write the letter. 14 which letter here? T. Next 10 which letter? I. Next 8 which letter? M. 13. So 13 which letter? E. So here T-I-M-E. Time. Now 7. 7. So here N. 5. Which letter come here? O. So N-O. No. Now next 6. 6 means S. 13. 13 means E. 11 means A. S-E-A-C. So question is, what did the beach say when the high tide come in? So answer is long time no see. So what we do here? Here some letter we have to put in the numbers and just follow that numbers with the help of letters. So here it comes long time no see. So this is a subtraction riddle.
Find the number which will come in the place of box in the given subtraction. 19 minus 5 is equal to 1 and dash. So we have to find the subtraction. So we always start from the right in the side. So 9 subtract 5 is equal to 4. Which number will come in the place of ones? That number is 4. So 9 subtract 5 is equal to 4 in ones place, and tens place 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. Use the information below to solve this puzzle. First, smiley face 5, sun 10, heart 12, cloud 3. So, heart minus cloud means 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Next, sun minus smiley face means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Next one, smiley face minus cloud, it means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And last one, heart minus sun, it means 12 minus 10 is equal to 2.
Now, activity time. Children, observe this picture and do as it is same at home. Here, some circles are given. So children, same color circle, all of you paste on this side. Suppose purple circle is given, so this 4 number you paste on this purple circle. Like that you complete full this picture. Now homework time. Children, here only 3 number is given, but here some blocks, then 3 number, then after 3 fingers, and then write down the spelling, number names, THREE 3, and then 3 dots, and then again 1 block. Like that, complete this puzzle at home. And this picture draw and color like that only. I hope all of you enjoyed today's topic, subtraction puzzle. So children, all of you subscribe our channel and press bell icon.